Hello to all of you there. I'm Jamie and I'm here to discuss about the arithmetic series and sequences. First of all, let us know what arithmetic sequence means. It is a progression. Examples 3, 5, 7, and 9 in which the difference between any term and its predecessor is constant. Represented by the equation t sub n is equals to t sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d, which are n is the number of the term, t sub 1 is the first term, and d is the common difference. There were two formulas used to equate an arithmetic sequence. First one is the recursive formula represented by the equation t sub n is equals to t sub n minus 1 plus d. For example, given that t sub 1 is equals to negative 4 and d is equals to 2, let's find the next three terms. T sub 2 is equals to t sub 2 minus 1 plus 2. T sub 2 equals negative 4 plus 2. Therefore, t sub 2 is equals to negative 2. Next, t sub 3 is equals to t sub 2 plus 2. T sub 3 is equals to negative 2 plus 2. Therefore, t sub 3 is equals to 0. The next is t sub 4. T sub 4 is equals to t sub 3 plus t plus 2. T sub 4 is equals to 0 plus 2. Therefore, t sub 4 is equals to 2. Understood? Okay, so now let's move on to the second formula, which is known as the general or explicit formula and represented by the equation t sub n is equals to t sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d, which n represent the number of term, t sub 1 is the first term, and d is the common difference. Let's apply this. Given t sub 1 is equals to 3 and t sub 2 is equals to 9, determine d and t4. Let's first find out the common difference. To determine d, we could use the equation for slope of the line, which is m is equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Applying to find d, or the common difference. So it will be 9 minus 3 over 2 minus 1 is equals to 6 over 1, and the answer is 6. So therefore, the common difference is 6. Next, let's find the fourth term, knowing now the common difference, which is number 6. T sub 4 is equals to t sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. T4 is equals to 3 plus quantity 4 minus 1 times 6. T sub 4 is equals to 3 plus 18, so therefore, t sub 4 is equals to 21. Another example. we have D, or the common difference, equals 5 plus T sub 1 equals 10. Let's find T sub 1, T sub 10. T sub 10 is equals to T sub 1 plus quantity 10 minus 1 times D. T sub 10 is equals to 10 plus 9 times 5. T sub 10 is equals to 10 plus 45, so therefore T sub 10 is equals to 55. Next, let's find the sum of a given arithmetic sequence wherein S sub n is equals to A sub 1 plus